you coming from Aurora, Colorado, bro?
Nah, coming from Southlands.
From Southlands? Oh, so
Yeah.
you're not from Colfax?
Hell no. Trying to get cut, trying to get ready. I have a trip, Hawaii, and then, for Valentine's, so I gotta get right.
So you're taking your girlfriend to Hawaii?
No, it's just the guys.
Oh, damn. But you have a girlfriend?
Yeah.
And you're going with the guys?
Yeah.
It's a guy trip for Valentine's?
Yeah.
That's fine. That's
No
fine.
diddy.
Yeah, I mean, I never heard of that, bro. So, what type of haircut are you trying to get done today, then, bro?
I'm trying to grow it out. Kind of tired with a short length, so I want to get like a middle part. So if you can just do your magic and just get me right for now.
I got you, bro. Yeah, we definitely got a lot of growing to do, bro. It's too short right now, but we'll texturize and make it look nice while it's still growing out. Are you ready for this transformation, bro?
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna get you right, bro. Let's do it.